Hi, my name is Sheikh Rahman. This is my demonstration for the RESTful Bookstore API developed for the client-server architecture coursework. I'll be starting with Visual Code to start the server using ambient tomcat run 7 command. This launches an embedded Tomcat 7 server and deploys my Bookstore API application. Once the server is running, all API endpoints will be available at http:/localhost 8080, and I'll use Postman to demonstrate them. Now I'll move on to the Postman app. I'll start the demonstration with author resource because in this system, every book must be linked to an existing author. So it's necessary to create the author first before adding books to avoid validation errors when creating or assigning books. Uh, let's create an author. This method is used to create a new author. I send a post request with name and biography in the body using valid data. I want to add a successful request returns 201 created with the author's details. That completes the creation process. I can see the list over here. Now let's move on to getting all authors. This method is used to get the list of all authors. The get request returns 200 and OK with a JSON array. That's all the authors I have created so far. Let's move on to reading books by a specific author. So I'm going to hit the get method again to get the uh, specific author. So I can type the author ID over there. So if I type ID number 1, I can see author ID 1 details, all the details, and showing me 200 and OK, request successful. The server has responded as required. If I wanted to try and to get a non-valid one like this, it's going to show me 404 not found with this message as well. So to get author's book, I'm going to hit the get method again. This method is used to retrieve books written by a particular author based on their ID. If no book exists for the author, the API returns an empty list. So I have already created few books. So it's showing me the list over there and showing 200 OK, request successful. The server has responded as required because I created the books previously. So to update the author list, I'll hit the put method. I can just add the author ID here and send hit the send button. Now it's showing me 200 and OK, request successful. The server has responded as required. It meant the request was successful. If I wanted to try to update a non-valid one, it's gonna show me author not found. Author with ID 31 does not exist. 404 not found. So if I wanted to delete an author, I'm gonna hit the delete method. So I'm gonna select a specific ID to delete an author. So I'm selecting 5 as I saw. I have ID number 5. So I can delete it now. So it's showing me 204 no content. That means the deletion was successful. If I wanted to delete a non-existing author like 51, it's gonna show me this message, and with that request resource could not found message as well. 404 not found, and this JSON message as well. uh, let's move on to book option now. To create a new book, this method is to create a new book. I send the details like title, ISBN, price, stock in the body. A valid request returns 201 created. That completes book creation. Let's see the list over here. Yeah, that's all the I can change the detail if I want to in the body. So like attack on, if I put attack on Titan there. As I can see, it created successfully attack on title, author ID, and all this necessary information I can see there. And if I wanted to get all the book, I have to hit the get method again. So I'm going to hit the get method and select get all books. Now I'm gonna hit the send button and showing me all the book I have created so far, and with the ID number as well. It's showing me 204. The request was successful. The server responded as it was required to. Now if I wanted to get a book by specific ID, I'm gonna hit the get method again, but this time I'm gonna select get book by their ID. So like ID number one, so I have that in my list. So I'm gonna select ID number one. It's showing me the details of book number one and showing 200. Okay, request was successful. If I wanted to get a non available one like 16, ID number 16, I didn't create that. Didn't create that, so it's showing me 404 not found, and this array message as well, this JSON message as well. If I wanted to update the book, I'm gonna hit the put method and just gonna write the ID number here and showing me the message, and the request was successful as well, but I can't update non-existing one, because if I try to like I did here, it's gonna show me book with ID number 21 does not exist and 404 not found message. So if I wanted to delete a book like previous method, I'm gonna use delete method like previous option. So I'm gonna hit the delete book option with the specific ID. So it's showing me for 204 no content. That means the book deletion was successful. If I want to try to delete a non-valid uh, book like 41, it's gonna show me 404 not found with this message as well. To create customer details, I have to hit the post method. Create customer. Okay, now I can add the names here, email, password, all the details. Now if I want to change it to sheikh, so if I hit the send one, it's going to show me 201 created successfully. The resource was created successfully, and I can see ID number 4, the name and everything. So if I wanted to get all the customer details, I'm going to hit the get method here, and I can see all the customer details I have created so far, and it's showing me 200. Okay, request was successful. So if I wanted to get a specific customer, I will use their ID. So if I wanted to get ID number 2, showing me ID number 2, and that's the details, and the request was successful. And all the details about the customer. If I wanted to get a non-valid one like 21, it's going to show me customer not found and 404 not found. If I wanted to update the um, customer details, so I'm gonna hit the put method with the valid ID number. It's gonna show this message and 200. Okay, request was successful. If I try to even add the update the non-existent one, it's gonna show me the error message and with 404 not found. If I want to delete a customer, I created customer ID number 4, I guess. So I'm gonna put number 4 there and enter. So it's showing me I'm using delete method now. So it's showing me 204 no content. That means deletion was successful. If I wanted to delete a non-valid one, it's like 42, it's gonna show me 404 not found with error message. So we'll skip this get customer orders, because I need to create an order first to get this to use this option, otherwise it's going to show me error. So we'll just move on to the cart one. So as you can see, if we wanted to add items on the card, we have to use the post method to, to add items on the card. So let's hit the post method now. So as you can see, as book ID number 3, I can change the ID number here like ID number 4, and ID number 4. Okay, book ID, I already deleted book ID, I guess. That's why it's not showing me. So if I add 2, ID number 2, yeah, it added successfully. As you can see, two books here, and with request 200 okay message, request was successful. If I wanted to get customer card, I'm gonna hit the get method again with I'm gonna just select get customers card and hit the send button. I can see uh, the details over here, and it's showing me request was successful. If I wanted to update the card, I can just update the card. I'm gonna hit the put method, select update card item, and I'm gonna uh, at the valid ID number is showing me no active shopping cart found for the customer item with book ID 1 because I didn't edit that thing. So I guess added 2. Yeah, so I added 2 in the previous one, so it's showing me the details one, and it's updated the card now, showing me 200 and okay. So now to remove item for the cart, I'm gonna hit the delete method. So if I wanted to delete number 3, because I added that previously, it's deleted successfully, and now it removed one item from the cart. Now it's showing me the new updated one, what's left on the cart now. If I wanted to try to delete a non-existing one, it's going to show me cart not found. The ID was so because the item was not available in the cart, can't delete it. It's going to show me 404 not found. So if I wanted to create an order, I'm going to just hit the post method to create an order now. So as I added items on the card before, so I hit the create order. I did post method to create order. So as you can see, the list of the all the details of the order here. So order was created successfully, as you can see, like 204, and it's a new resource was created successfully. That means the order was successful. So if I wanted to get customers orders, I'm gonna hit the get method, and I'm gonna select get customers order, and I'm gonna hit the send button again. I can see the details over there, all the details here. This is the details, and it's showing me 200. Okay, that means request was successful. If I wanted to uh, get an order of specific like customer, I can use their customer ID, and so I'm gonna hit the get method and gonna select get customer order by their ID now. So I'm gonna select customer ID 1, and as you can see, the request was successful and showing me customer 1 ID. Customer wants all details here. So as you can see there, and if I wanted to get a non-valid one, non-available customer ID one, like 12, it's gonna show me customer not found, customer with ID order not found, and with 404 not valid message. Uh, that brings my demonstration of the bookstore REST API to an end. Throughout the video, I've shown how much each endpoint work, including how to create, update, retrieve, and delete data. All request bodies were customized with relevant input where needed, and every method was tested using valid and invalid scenario. This project helped me apply key RESTful concept in practice, and I appreciate your time watching the demonstration. Thank you.